What's the meaning of cadenza? Cadenza. Cadenza.
Cadenza. Cadenza. Cadenza refers to a solo section within a musical piece, often towards the end, where the performer has freedom to play in an improvisational or virtuosic manner. This part allows for individual expression and creativity, and typically involves elaborate ornamentation and technical displays. The cadenza serves as a showcase for the performer's skills and is usually written or improvised by the performer. In summary, a cadenza is a musical passage that provides an opportunity for a soloist to display their talents and creativity within a larger musical work.